Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you're here. I finally got my icon box. I have been waiting forever for it. I ended up ordering it August 1st after I had done my choice for August for my base glam bag, but then I saw some people who got it in PR and they got a perfume, and I was like, oh, I really want that perfume. That's actually on my list, and this whole box would be cheaper than buying that perfume. So I bit the bullet and I got it. Spoiler, I did not get the perfume. It was not one of my options. It was not one of the things they chose. It was not in one of my options. It was, however, an add-on, so at least I did get a deal on it in that regard, but it took forever. It said it shipped, and then it didn't move, and it didn't move, and it didn't move, and then they sent me a thing that was like, oh, sorry, there's been a delay, we're giving you $6, which, great, everything is $3.50, so you're going to charge me at least $1, and they did. They got $1 out of me yesterday. So I finally got this the last couple days of August, and this is the first chance I've had to sit down and unbox it. So let's see what you think about what I got. Let me know if you got the icon box, if anything is tempting, what you think of the add-ons that I ordered, because I did order a few add-ons, and just all of that in general. Let me know your thoughts down below. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please do consider subscribing. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Okay, so this month, it's Chrissy Teigen and John Legend. I was like, what is his name? I know what they were going for with this, but it just looks kind of stupid and slightly tacky to me. Anyway, that's me. So in here, we have a lot of things in the little newspapery thing, and then there's the stuff that's in the box. So first up, I have from Patchology. These are served chill on ice firming eye gels, and I think this was one of the things that I chose because I was really debating what I wanted, because there was not a lot of things in the choices that were really calling to me. So I have 15 pairs in here, which is actually half the size of what my Good Molecules was. Thank goodness, because those took me like 2 years to finish. All right, so I'm looking, and these retail for $35. I definitely wouldn't pay $35 for these, but I am going to make a point of using these. I just used one of my pairs of Wander Beauty Baggage Claim. There we go. I used one of those last night, and so trying to use my masks more efficiently. That's the first thing. The next thing, they chose for me, are the facial radiance pads from First Aid Beauty. I definitely would not have chosen these. They're fine. I just find I would rather use a serum than these, and I feel like these are too much as a toner. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. So these have glycolic and lactic acid it's in them, and they retail for $38, so $70 so far. I paid for the box at this point. Then I have this guy. This is from Danessa Myricks. This is a Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder Flushed. I am a balm powder. Does that mean it's a balm, or is it a powder? It's in the shade Rose and Brunch. I'm going to save this for a little bit because I'm going to swatch things, and I currently don't have any makeup remover wipes. I am using a makeup remover spray that I got in one of these subscriptions, so I will do that at the end. That retails for $25. Then I got this set of brushes, which I'm pretty sure they also chose for me, because I don't think I would have chosen brushes. These are from Lithe Beauty. I've never heard of them. These retail for $48. I did pull out the thing and highlight what I got, because I wanted to make sure I had prices for everything. So there are 6 brushes in here. They feel okay. This is one that I will use. This is a Precision Shadow Brush. That's kind of like my go-to. What is this guy? A Flawless Concealer Brush. So I'll probably pass that along because I don't usually use concealer brushes. We have a glow highlighter brush. That's okay, I'll give it a go. Then we have a crease defining brush. That seems really big. I don't know, quite large. Then we have an essential blending brush. And finally this little guy, which is a pencil crease. So, not too bad. I wish they were all like either face or eyes, not like kind of mixed together, because the highlighter and concealer, I don't know, just a little weird. Anyway, I guess it's better than getting like an eyeliner brush or anything, because I don't use those. All right, next up we have from KVD, I almost said Kat Von D. I know she's not associated, but still my brain, it's there. This is the Lock-It Pore Refining Primer. I wonder if this is like a silicone primer. And these don't tell you anything about them when you have this, but this retails for $34. So not too bad. Then we have from Fenty Skin, this is the Watch Your Tone Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum. I do love serums. And Fenty Beauty is one, I don't mind it. It's not like my favorite brand or anything. It's kind of an interesting package. Oh, okay. It's a twist and it's already leaking, so that's fun. This retails for $42. That's kind of crazy. I wonder if I push it, because that's, I don't know. I have no idea. Then we have from Kat Berkey, this is the Reversal Lift and Fill Form Control Marine Collagen Gel. So is that a serum? It has 3 different uses. You could put it targeted and it's supposed to tighten. So it's like a tightening thing, I guess. Or you could put it on all over a thin layer at night, or as a treatment as a mask for 15 to 20 minutes. I don't know, weird. So I'm keeping that one in the box because that has a lot of instructions. That retails for $160. I don't think any skincare is worth $160. And especially like collagen is not usually, like you can't, it doesn't soak in. So, I don't know. Then finally I have from Il Makiage, this is the Color Boss Master Palette. 8 multi-dimensional eye colors. Wow, this is super heavy. The packaging is so heavy. It's very, very shiny. And then inside, that's what the shades look like. So we have 8 shades there. Let me swatch these and I'll swatch the blush and I'll come back. Okay, first up, this is definitely a cream blush. Oh my gosh, very much a cream blush, but it is drying down quite quickly. It's, ooh, that has a lot of presence. So it's one that I'm going to have to be very careful with when I try it out on my skin, because I can see that going really badly. I'm not sure how well that spray is working out, but so here is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. These are very dense. Like they all feel heavy, and they're like almost like a cream to powder, very much reminiscent of like Natasha Denona's shadows. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one. Actually, I was a little nervous. I wasn't sure what to expect, but I think it is going to be very, very beautiful. So that was a welcome surprise. So that one was $61. No, I would not pay $61 for the palette. All right, so let's go over. Do I think this is worth $60 plus tax? So I had the Marine Collagen Cream 160, the Fenty Serum for 42, the First Aid Beauty pads for 38. So that's 80, 240 right there. And then we have the blush from Danessa Myricks, that's an extra 25. The primer with an additional 34. Then we have, you know what, I think I wrote it down. It's $443 altogether. That's what it is, $443. The brushes for 48. 6 divided by 48, so that's like $8 a piece. I guess that's probably normal, but I probably wouldn't get them for that. 61 for the palette, and then the patches for 35. So not overall, I don't think it's a bad value. I will get use out of pretty much everything, which is kind of unusual. We'll see how the primer goes. That one I'm a little nervous about, but I don't think it was a terrible box. Will I get this again? No, I'm going to definitely be canceling because I can't afford $60 every 3 months. But I did get some add-ons, so I wanted to show you my add-ons as well. First up, we have from Briogeo. This is the Superfoods Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture 3-in-1 Leave-In Spray. This one was not in my catalog, so I wrote down the price. So this retails for $25 and I got it for $12. The other thing that I got was a Glow Recipe cleanser. This is the Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. And it's supposed to be a makeup remover too. I have not tried this one, but I do like Glow Recipe. This was $12 as an add-on, and it retailed for $28. So not too bad for those. Got those both for about half price. Then I picked up a Pat McGrath Divine Bronzer. I'm excited about this one. I got it in the shade Bronze Divinity, which I'm hoping will work. It's a little hard to tell sometimes what the shades are. And ooh, that might be a little dark. That's what it looks like. Let's give it a swatch. Make sure my fingers are kind of clear. That might be too much. Let's blend it in with a different finger. It's a little on the red side. We'll give it a try. We will definitely try it for sure. So that bronzer was originally $39 and I got it for $12, which I think is pretty good. That's about what I would find it if I got it at TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I haven't seen any of the blushes, or I mean bronzers. I've seen some other things, but not those yet. And then the last thing I got was the thing that I wanted, is from Commodity. This is Juice. It retails for $75. I got it for $18. Got to get out my little handy knife because sometimes boxes are very hard to open. This is just the little 1 ounce. This is the bold or expressive, I guess. Is that the second one? Not the third one? I don't know. It's confusing anyway. All right, let's give it a spray. It's nice. It's nothing super exciting. I know it's supposed to be like a raspberry, and they give you no notes. I wish they would give you some of the notes. I feel like it's supposed to have raspberry and maybe lychee. It's nice. I do like it, and it's definitely one that I will wear, and I probably can easily go through a 1 ounce of this. But $75 worth, probably not something I would be really happy with if I spent $75. But for $18, and I know I spent like over $100 on all of this altogether, but I feel like I'm okay with that because I got so much, and there's things that I'll actually use in here. Like I will always can use leave-in, I can always use a cleanser. So I feel like I got a pretty good deal. Let me know your thoughts. Sorry, it's really hot in here and I'm losing my voice because it's so hot. Anyway, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you think I got a good deal or not, if you would have wanted what I got or not, or if there's other things you would have gotten. I could tell you really fast. There was a Biro Black Cherry Plump Limp Oil, a JLo body cream, a microcurrent toning face device from Dermalectives. Huda had a vegan skin tint foundation. I'm glad I didn't get that because 1, I think Glowish is going out, and 2, that's doesn't always work shade wise. Makeup Forever powder, finishing powder, the twisty one. There was a Morphe continuous setting mist, another JLo lip mask, Gold Faden eye treatment, Murad clarifying toner, Ordinary eye serum, MZ Skin calming moisturizer. I've never heard of them. Grow and Alchemist regenerating gel mask. Not anything too exciting. Oh, there's more pictures of John Legend and Chrissy Teigen. That's some of the stuff. Here's more of the stuff. And then we had a Living Proof dry shampoo. Glad I didn't get that. Moon Oral Care teeth whitening pen. Drunk Elephant scalp scrub. Femu cleansing gel. Give brow pencil or eyebrow pencil. Not a fan of those. Iconic London cream face palette. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Dry Bar static control mist. That would have been okay. Kosas weightless lip color. And then Danessa Myricks Oh, it's an eyeliner. I'm glad I didn't get that. So we have these pictures as well, and then those pictures. So I know that was a very quick run over, but let me know what you think about what I got, what was offered. If you got it, what you got, let me know down below. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.